Caribbean ducks in the kitchen. If you smell that pot, you already know.
Yes, my people, welcome back. It's Caribbean Ducks in the Kitchen here to share another delicious recipe. So, peace and blessings first. It's my one pot seafood rice. Keep watching, you'll see how I do it. This deliciousness is for everyone. We're going to start with some butter, some EVOO. We're going to go on with our onions first. A little bit of celery chopped, carrots. I'm going to go in with some ginger garlic, red bell peppers, tomatoes, and some bay leaves. We're going to allow this to saute and start releasing all those wonderful flavors. So keep watching, guys. It's going to get better. We're building up all the flavors here. A little bit of dry seasoning here. Dried Mariman basil and thyme. A little bit of black pepper. And we're going to stir that up and mix it all together. Yes, guys, the magic is happening here right in the kitchen, and I wish you guys were here to give this a smell. Now I'm going to go in with a cup and a half of washed long grain rice. You can use any kind of rice, as a matter of fact. Now I'm going to go in with my homemade Szechuan. And if you guys want to see how I make this Szechuan right at home, watch my previous video. You'll see Szechuan made fresh and natural. And now, if you can get your hands on some of these are tomato bouillon powder. Go in with about a teaspoon of that. And if you don't have those items, you can use tomato paste. A little bit of black pepper goes in, and we're going to mix this thoroughly so that all the rice grains are coated with this deliciousness. This is a quick and easy recipe, guys. Anyone can do this. And if you like seafood like I do, you'll find different ways to make it. And if you do like corn, like I do, I went in with about a half a cup of corn. And now I'm going to hit it up with some chicken broth. Here's the secret, guys. This is the shortcut. Go in with chicken broth, just enough to cover the rice and allow it to cook, right? So now we're going to give this a good stir, mix it well. And we're going to get ready to let this simmer on the stove. As soon as we bring this up to a boil, we're going to cut it down to a low heat. Now, after about a couple of minutes, we're going to go in with some chopped scallions or green onions. Mix that all together. And guys, the aroma that's coming out of the kitchen is wonderful once again. Wish you could be here to take a sniff. And now, I had my seafood marinated for about 30 minutes with some green Caribbean seasoning, some black pepper, and some other dry seasoning. Now you can go ahead and put any kind of seafood here. I have shrimp, clam, mussels. This is our basic seafood recipe here. I could have added more, but I didn't. I would have ended up with a whole bunch of stuff. So now here's a little trick. Cover it down with a little piece of tin foil right over the pot. Seal it nice so that it cooks with all the wonderful steam. And this is how you're going to get a nice loose rice. So after about 20 minutes, here's the reveal.
You already know. If you smell that pot, you already know.
Alright foodies, I hope you enjoy and like this recipe. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Peace and blessings.